I must tell you that today all the speeches are icebreaker speeches, and as per Toastmaster protocol, we must give a standing ovation at the end of their speech. So please ensure to give a standing ovation to all five speakers at the end of their speech. Before I call on the first speaker, I request his evaluator, Toastmaster Prasanna Kumar, to read out his speech objectives.
Thank you very much, Rahul. So the first speaker is giving his first speech from his pathways. And the time limit for this speech is 4 to 6 minutes. The purpose of this project is for member to introduce himself or herself to the club. Is to club and learn the basic structure of the speech. And this one is the first speech and icebreaker speech of this speaker. So as Toastmaster Rahul said, please give an standing ovation to the speaker after completing his speech. And I request Toastmaster Abhishek Jhunjhunwala to please adjust your camera before speaking, and all the best to Toastmaster Abhishek. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day.
Our first speaker is an audit professional. He is an enthusiastic runner. When I asked him what he likes about the marathon, he said, by running, you develop and never say die attitude as a part of your character, which is very important. Marathon is like keep moving forward one step at a time. Very truly said. His speech is mentored by Toastmaster Seema Ramesh. With a thunderous round of applause, please help me welcome Toastmaster Abhishek Jhunjhunwala with a speech titled One Life, Live Life, One Life, Live Life, Toastmaster Abhishek Jhunjhunwala. Over to you.
Life is the greatest gift that God has given us. And within this, the most important resource that we have is time. Just like we have one life, one glass full of water, similarly, we have one life full of time, which is slowly and steadily depleting day by day. Believe it or not, my friends, even the richest person on this planet cannot buy time. Thus, it is our duty to ensure that we utilize it to the best of our potential. Because as they say, one life, live life. Good morning, fellow Toastmasters and dear guests. My name is Abhishek. I was born and brought up in Baliganj Place, Kolkata. Yes, Baliganj Place, Kolkata. The reason I stress about the locality is just like everyone else, I too have some fond and vivid memories of my locality. We lived in a small housing society in a 4-storied building where we were several families which lived together, celebrated festivals together, and we were a close-knit unit. I enjoyed my time at that society. I played cricket, games with my elder brothers, and enjoyed a good camaraderie with them. Just like everything was going fine, tragedy struck. When I was 5, my father passed away, and it was a shocking incident for us. He left behind him a family of 4, including his wife, his minor daughter, and 2 minor sons. We decided to shift from that society in a separate house, several lanes nearby, where we lived alone because it was a single dwelling unit. So life really did take a turn and things started moving. In my school life, I was an average student and had difficulty in understanding and grasping some of the concepts. I even flunked in the 3rd standard. But as they say, you don't fail when you are beaten up. You fail if you stop trying to get up. So I got up and in the process, slowly and steadily cleared the secondary level and the higher secondary level, including the board examinations. It is truly said that the memories which you cultivate during your school life are going to stay with you for a long period of time. We all cherish those memories, don't we? It is because in these institutions, we learn some of the vital lessons of our lives that help to shape our characters later on in life. After my schooling, I, like many of my batchmates, joined in an undergraduate course in one of the most prestigious colleges in India. My college life did play a pivotal role in instilling a sense of confidence and discipline in me. While it may be getting up at 5 in the morning to attend classes from 6, yes, 5, or it may be my stint at NCC, which helped me take control of my life. Also, it is in this institution that I first took the courage to speak in front of an audience. It was the first icebreaker of my life. We had weekend presentation sessions where we were required to present on a topic of our choice in front of an audience. And it is through these sessions that I broke free to speak in front of an audience. Apart from this, there were several other opportunities that came my way in the form of college festivals and debate competitions. But my participation was meager due to the fear of not being able to live up to the expectations that people had from my college. As time passed, college life also ended, and I got busy with my professional courses and office work. At various points of time, from various sources, people have confabulated with me this line, Abhishek, your communication skills is very poor and it is not up to the mark. You need to do something about it immediately. And each of those times, I didn't have anything to say to them. So one day I began the search and I got to know about a club which my college senior was a part of. So I decided to give this organization a chance. After attending a few meetings, I was impressed and decided to join this club, which was a part of Toastmasters International. This was in late 2018, and due to other priorities at that time, I couldn't join it and had to postpone that decision. Now cut to today, and a recent turning point which has came in my life is being a Toastmaster, and I'm being very frank about it. While this may look like a club to some, it is an educational institution to me, where we pay our fees and attend each and every week to learn some of the most important facets of communication skills. While human life is becoming increasingly digital thanks to this pandemic, the importance of communication will never go away from our lives. And in this information age, the persons who communicate effectively will be the ones who stand to gain at the end. Thus, my friends, life is a collection of memories, and make sure when we look back and recollect on those memories, we should be proud that we have lived some of the best memories of our lives. We have one life and we need to live it without any regrets. With this, I wish to end with a quote, which is often my mantra in life. Work hard in silence and let your success make all the noises. Work hard in silence and let your success make all the noises. What do you think, my fellow Toastmasters?
We have 7 evaluators lined up, so it's an evaluators marathon right now. And to begin the marathon, we would start with someone who doesn't like marathon apparently. And let's begin with Toastmaster Prasanna, who was the first evaluator for today. Please roll out the evaluation for Toastmaster Abhishek.
Okay, so I'm not able to see the video of timer, so the timer is going to showing the card by sharing the screen, or
yeah, we'll just check with Aritra once.
Yeah, actually I'm not able to see the background of Toastmaster Aritra.
Yeah, I will share the background only.
You will share the background only, na?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah.
So let me pin him. Yeah. So congratulations, Toastmaster Abhishek, for giving such a wonderful speech on your very first day. So you broke your ice so well and convert it into the ice cream that I really felt very much, you can say, enthusiastic after eating your ice cream delivered by you. So you told in the start that the timing is very much important in anyone's life, and we must take this time to leave it, because if we going to that time is going to pass, we will never buy it, because we don't have any that kind of process to buy the time. So I liked your speech really well, and I have noted down 3 good points about your speech. The first thing is that hand gestures. Toastmaster Abhishek, you really played very well with your hand gestures. When you were talking about that, when you were in school, you were shaping your characters. So you told in this way that you were used to shape your characters. Now you are told when you were saying about your family members from the point of your father. So at that time, you were saying that your father was having 2 minors and 1 wife. So it was that you really played well with your hand gesture. Now coming to the second point that I really liked about your speech, that clarity of your speech, your words and your sentence was very much clear to my ears. And I didn't feel any word which was not clear to me. So each and every aspect of your speech was done well with clarity. So third point I liked about your speech is the comfort level. As a first time speaker, when someone is speaking, he or she might show some kind of jittery movement, but you were very much confident at the stage and you were very much comfortable with your body. So kudos for that, Toastmaster Abhishek, and you had a really good craft of your structure of your speech. But as there is something which is needed to enhance the part of your speech, you can always hone your speaking skills. So I have something to recommend you so that you can enhance your speech in coming days by practicing it. So first thing that when you were talking about your father Demis, what you did, you pulled down your face. And that time as an audience, I felt that you might have forgotten something and you were recollecting some of your words from your speech. So in order to avoid that, you could have done like this, that I was really shattered after my father Demis of a tragedy, after that tragedy. You could have a facial expression in a very shattered mode. That could have enhanced your grieving delivery of your father Demis. Okay, so it could have put the icing on the cake. So second thing, I like to recommend you the vocal variety, Toastmaster Abhishek. When you told about your father lost, then you were looking down. Okay, so that could have been enhanced by like that. And you again think that you were talking about that in your office, some colleague told you that you are not good at communication. You really need to fix it. So that could have been added by vocal variety. Suppose you are talking about the from the point of view of your colleague. So you could have changed your vocal to show that someone else is talking. So apart from that, Toastmaster Abhishek, it was a very good speech. If I have to summarize, you did very well with your hand gestures, clarity of your speech and comfort level was just awesome as a first time speaker. If you work on your, like some point that I told about your looking down, where you were talking about your father, and vocal variety, if you add in your speech, it could have enhanced the immensity of your speech. And congratulations for giving your icebreaker speech. Thank you. And over to you, General Evaluator.